And this is Mzamo right next to me, the sixth evictee from Big Brother Mzansi.
Hello, Mzansi. This is Thando, the fifth evictee. Yay!
Yeah! Mzamo, did you see the eviction coming?
Well, yes, I did. Thando, when I made the calculations, I was just like 1 + 1 = 2. So I definitely saw the evictions coming. I weighed my chances against the other housemates,
yes,
and I saw myself somewhere at the bottom. Just about everything.
So you won't miss anything at all. I mean, that was your reality for like close to 2.
No. The thing is, I'm gonna miss it as the world that I knew. I will definitely miss Iris the most, hands down. Yeah, I will definitely miss Iris the most.
And also, did you get lonely since everyone had someone to cuddle with?
Well, when I looked at everybody around the house, there was no inspiration. Iris is definitely my favorite, but it's between Lexi, it's either Lexi or it's Manga.
Also, last question, what advice would you give to Iris?
I would tell her to just relax. You know, she's still going to see us. The game is not over, and the friendships that we've made are solid, and there is an
you know what your position is in the game. As the weeks went past and we realized who was strong and who was weak, you learn to see where you fall about in the food chain, so to speak.
Absolutely.
So for me to leave at the time that I left, I felt like it was the natural order of things. So I wasn't taken off guard, definitely not.
Okay, so now tell us.
Living in the house was bittersweet.
Right.
And that obviously you realize what an immense opportunity it is for you.
Yes.
You realize it's an amazing platform. You meet people that you love,
right,
but on the other extreme you meet people that you hate. Living in the house was amazing for me. I had my highs and I had my lows. What did I miss the most? Oh wow.
You see, you can't even answer a question. You can't answer a question.
The personal trainers, because I can't afford one in my real life. So I definitely want salt in the house. You must go. Magahambe.
It's not
conspiring. Now that I'm out of the house, MK is gonna propose to me and we're gonna have a real marriage and real children. No, I'm joking. I think MK is definitely somebody whom in my normal life I wouldn't have given a chance. But being in the house for as long as I was, I realized that every girl needs an MK in her life.
Definitely. So to wrap it up, it has been a wonderful, exciting experience.
Definitely.
Right? This is Thando signing out.
This is Mzamo signing out.
Rat-ta-ta-ta.